So today, me and my sister is going to
London.
Yes, but actually we're going to Scotland. And we are now here in Atlanta International Airport.
The biggest and the busiest airport in the world.
Oh, really?
In the world.
In the world?
Busiest, right? Not the biggest.
What's the biggest?
Just the busiest.
What's the biggest, ate?
Denver is bigger than it.
Denver. Katuatong
Wow.
gatuan.
Oh, that's all.
And we're here in Atlanta Airport. Ayun sa domestic me. Where are we going? Where? North checkout? Checkpoint? North checkpoint?
Di ba naka-check-in na ta?
I have to check my bag if it fits. Oh, fit perfectly. The problem is my backpack. Hala, Yusuf, wala dyan kay agka ng kuan man ng laptop. Ako na isulod. And finally, it fits. Thank you. Hindi na masakpan niya akong belt bag. And we have to say bye to our sponsor here in Georgia. Bye. We will miss you. Bye. Thank you, Jar. Thank you for our hotel accommodation
And everything.
We're supposed to be in Terminal T, but since we're going to the lounge, we're going to Terminal F. And we have to take the train. Thank you for flying with us. Hartsfield Jackson, Atlanta International Airport. Duha pala. 1, 2. Dami pala. 310 million passengers a year. By safety thanks to aircraft maintenance. And we are now in Concourse F. And start looking for the lounge here. Concourse F. And we're going to the club. And it's close to Interfaith Chapel. Priority pass.
And then we're headed to the beach, and then we'll be there like 2 days while we'll clean the place and get it ready for the next
Get your silverware, ma'am. Get your silverware.
Ay, sorry. And now we're heading to our gate, would be in T15. Salam! Salam! Hi! This land calls us home. Communication and expression. Oh, nice.
Filipino man na, heritage and legacies. Yun sana yung pass it on.
So we're now now boarding, and it's really scary taking Frontier Airlines. Everybody's bag have to be checked, and it should fit. Good thing. Maybe you notice our bag are small though.
Yeah.
Because most of the bags right there are really bulky. But it's scary. Kulbaan jud ko.
I really prayed hard.
Kulbaan jud ko. Loy jud. Oy, di ko ganani. Oy, wad.
Flying us today
Bye,
to Miami
Atlanta.
is Captain Davis and First Officer Miller. On behalf of your crew and Blanco the Polar Bear, on the tail and the wings, thank you for traveling with us today.
So we're now here in Miami Airport, and we have a connecting flight with a different airline, and they said we have to exit and check in at the counter. And I think we only have 1 hour and 30 minutes left. I hope we'll be able to make it. See ya. First time in Miami Airport. First time, no? First time. And we made it to the counter. There's still a line. Personal bag. So our bag were checked and we passed. Kung naman yung video yung bag ko, na nag-pass siya.
And my sister's bag also passed. Perfecto. Muchas gracias.
Perfecto. After a long line, not so long, we finally got our boarding pass.
And we are sitting on the same seat. No.
No, sitting together.
Yeah.
Sit by side by side. And we just came from security and now heading to our gate, which is F16. And we are here in Terminal C. Terminals. F3, oh. Yung special, you know. Heading to F16. I've seen here half moon empanadas. And and I want to try it.
Gracias.
Spinach and cheese. Classic. I want to get one spinach and cheese and what's best? Everything? I'll get classic beef. Yes, please. Oh, where's the spinach and cheese in there? No, what? Where is it?
The name is
Okay.
ini.
Okay.
Ini spinach and beef 11 No receipt?
Nah. Thank you. Get this. We're going to try it. It's good. Kulabo. Super hot. Asa man anak be? Dalawin na ako na green. Green tanan. Classic beef. I got classic beef. Half moon. Half moon pa lang tao sa empanada. Ayan, tama sa'yo? Ika. Na-demarka di ay. Na-demarka. Classic. See, got classic beef. Nakipag-ayaw, ipadyog ko. Classic beef. Anyayin mo, asagad. There's spinach and cheese. I don't know. There's a name in there. Eh, pagtalo pala ba ko? So, how would I know? Sabi ko pa naman. How would I know what to say for it? Lame? How's it? Good? We are now inside the plane. It's our first time. My first time to take the Norse Airline. Norse Airline. They have the USB, only the big one. This one. I don't think we can. There's no outlet. Any outlet. We're heading to Gatwick, London. After 8 hours, we're finally here in London. And we got that airplane at the other side. The Norse Atlantic. It's a big airline and new.
Boeing 787. They're just the same.
Pero lang ba?
Yeah, that's what they said.
It's huge.
My
It's
aircraft.
Welcome to London, Manang. Manang, welcome to London. Manang, welcome to London.
Okay, welcome to London.
Dapat pa-picture ka dito. The People's Monarch Artist Selection. Oh, I can't believe these are all pictures. Oh, nice. Wow. Ang galing. So we are here in Gatwick and we have a very long layover because we have our flight to Edinburgh. So this is our second lounge and this is my first time to be here. We'll have pancake. And this is what I got.
What's that?
Pancake.
Ba't meron?
Doon sa pinakadulo. Yung pipress mo lang yung okay. Tapos halagay yung pancake.
In Gatwick.
Again.
Number 1 lounge. in London Gatwick International Airport.
What can you say?
Uh,
What compared to the premium lounge and the number one, which is better?
the food's just the same, but I don't like the music. It's really a bar.
Yeah, it's so loud. That's why. And now we're heading to our gate. We're going to where?
5, 6.
No, where are we going to?
Scotland.
Yes,
Thank you very much.
we're going to Edinburgh.
So blessed and grateful.
We're going to Edinburgh. It's my second time, but this time I will act as a tour to my sister.
Tourist, a tour guide.
Yeah, as a tour guide to my sister. Going to Edinburgh.
Exit may be
Bye,
behind
London,
you.
for now.
Emergency lighting will guide you to an exit. In an emergency, leave all baggage on board.
Welcome to Edinburgh, where the local time is 25 past 8 in the evening. Your place is to say that we landed 20 minutes earlier today. Electronic devices may now be used if they are within reach for calls, messages and internet access. Electronic devices, keep your seatbelt fastened and remain seated until the seatbelt sign is switched off. Take all your personal belongings with you. Check in the seat pocket underneath the seat in the overhead locker. Take care when opening the overhead locker in case anything falls out. Your smoke is not permitted until you reach a designated smoking area. Thank you for flying with us, and we look forward to welcome you aboard again soon.
Hi! We just landed Edinburgh, Scotland. Thank you, EasyJet. Manang, say hi.
Thank you, EasyJet.